Hi, it's me, Jonas, and I'll be moving into a new flat very soon. It's the exam period, so I'm kind of busy studying, but on the 1st of May, my agreement with at the new flat starts, and so it is time to get some stuff over there, so when I move in, I'm not completely lost. I've packed a bunch of stuff that I will carry over there, and hopefully that's not going to be too torturous. Wish me luck. So let me introduce you to the two bags that I'll be schlepping. We've got a rolly thingy over here and my backpack, so that should be a pretty even distribution of the weight. It's still a lot to carry, and I'll be walking the entire distance by foot. I mean, why not? So I've got my backpack on right now, and I'm ready to go to give you a rough idea of what I'm about to do. It's a distance of 4.2 kilometers that I'll be walking, and the map says that it should take me about 56 minutes. Yeah, let's see how fast I'm actually gonna be. It's 10 minutes to 3. I would assume that I'll be a bit slower than what map says, but you never know. Right on. Ooh. I should probably go to the bathroom before I leave, because knowing me. Yeah, so let's do that first. Yeah. Oh. Already stuck. Great. Okay, here we go. So to perhaps give you a bit more context, I'm walking from Finniston to the beautiful Jordan Hill where my new flat is, and I've just walked for, 15 minutes, and I basically only made it to Byers Road. That's not very far. I'm also starting to feel a little warm. So thank God it's not too hot today, otherwise I'd be sweating like a pig. But yeah, let's continue. So I've just taken a right from Dunbarton Road. I'm heading north now. If there's something that I don't like seeing, it's if the street goes up like that, because that means it's gonna get hilly and a lot more work for me. But I'm in it to win it, so yay. I made it to the top of the hill. Oh my lord. Just a quick update. I took off my jacket because it was just getting too warm. I still have 1.8 kilometers to go. That's not too bad because it's 3:30 right now. I do hope I make it before 4 o'clock. Let's saddle up again and keep going. So yeah, that's what I'll need once I'm done here. Therapy. And some like spa. That'd be nice. So I'm on my final stretch now. I've been walking for almost an hour now. And right ahead of me is the Jordan Hill train station, so I have made some pretty good progress. I missed the face painting! Woohoo! That's it, everybody. That house straight ahead is where I shall be staying. Yeah. So I'm indoors now. Last challenge of this trip. Getting it all up these stairs. So I've made it to my new flat. It's just before 4 o'clock now, so that's a pretty good time. And I'm just very happy to finally be here. And I'm very, very excited to move in. It doesn't look like very homely just now, but it certainly will once I'm ready to move in.